Bonjour tout le monde and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are spicing up your French game with some pretty cool ways to say good evening. Imagine impressing your friends with unique phrases that will make you sound like a true French pro. Let's jump in. Kicking off with the classic. We have bonsoir, bonsoir, bonsoir. This is like the default way to say good evening in French. Whether you are chatting with pals, family, or even strangers. This one's your trusty go-to, just like saying good evening in English. Up next, let's add a touch of flair with bonne soirée, bonne soirée, bonne soirée. It means have a nice evening. Picture yourself saying this to someone. It's a bit more formal and shows you are sending warm vibes for their entire night ahead. Perfect for colleagues, hosts, customers, or anyone you are getting to know. Time to roll out bonne fin de journée, bonne fin de journée, bonne fin de journée, which translates to have a good end of day. Think late afternoon, around 5 p.m. It's like acknowledge the shift from day to night. And it's pretty fancy, don't you think? As the sun starts to set, here is bon fin d'après-midi, bon fin d'après-midi, bon fin d'après-midi, which translates to have a good late afternoon. Picture using this around 5 p.m. as the day winds down. Now let's kick off the evening with style using bon début de soirée, bon début de soirée, bon début de soirée, which translated to have a good beginning of evening. Imagine saying this to your pals early in the night, wishing them an awesome start to their plans. Let's do a quick recap. French has a number of different expressions to wish someone a nice evening, depending on the level of formality and exact timing. We see in this lesson 5 common French ways to say good evening. Bonsoir, bonsoir, bonsoir. Bonne soirée, bonne soirée, bonne soirée. Bon fin de journée, bon fin de journée, bon fin de journée. Bon fin d'après-midi, bon fin d'après-midi, bon fin d'après-midi. Bon début de soirée, bon début de soirée, bon début de soirée. Now it's your turn. Do you know any other cool ways to say good evening in French? Share your thoughts and discoveries down in the comments. Let's chat and learn together. À la prochaine. See you next time.